Today I'm going to show you how to make a logo on your phone. So I have an Android phone, so I'm going to go to Play Store and I'm going to go to Canva. As you can see, I typed Canva in at the top and it popped up. And this is just an app where you can design logos, invites, posters, and a host of other things. I'm going to press open and it brings you to the home page. Now you can create an account, but I already have an account, so it already went to the home page. So it's just saying explore Canva. So as you can see, these are the different categories they have. They have a logo, business card. You can make labels, resumes, Twitter posts. And I'm going to show you the other things you can do. You can also make YouTube thumbnails, comic strips, calendars. It's just a host of things that you can make. So Canva is a really great thing that you can use. I'm going to go back up so I can show you how to make a logo and logo. Now, when I press logo, it has a sub menu, and these are just the different templates that they have. So I want to try out the beauty templates. Now, you don't have to use these templates. These are just starters, and you can customize it to however you want. But I want to have a blank slate, so I'm going to go to blank. Okay, and as you can see, it's blank, but I want you to pay attention to the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner. I want you to press that. And this is just where you can add your text, your images, videos, stickers, illustrations, other templates, for example. And I'm going to show you the text. Now, I pressed on text, and these are the text templates that they have. Now, you don't have to keep these exact words that they say. So I'm going to go up to the Kayla Marie one and press it. And I want to customize it, so I'm going to press that. And I'm going to press PMBexquisite. And as you can see, it's huge. But I'm going to resize that down. And as you can see, you could just customize it to what you want it to be. And these other words, I'm going to actually make smaller. And this is just a demonstration, just showing you the different fonts. Okay, and you can press on the fonts and look at all of the different fonts that they have. As you can see, the Enjoy Your Day changed to a different font. This one is cute. Okay, and I want to change the color, so I'm going to go to color. I'll do purple. And it changes to purple. So I'm just showing you how to do the font. This is not what we're going to use, though, for the logo demonstration. And I also want to trash that one. I don't really want to use that one, so I'm going to click it, press the garbage, and it cleans your slate for you. I'm going to press the plus sign again, and I want to add an illustration. They have a bunch of different illustrations that you can put on there. I want it to be a beauty logo, so I'm going to search beauty and just look through and browse through the different icons that they have. Do something like this. Now I'm going to resize this. Okay, and let's say that I didn't like the fonts that they have in Canva. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go to Google, and I'm just going to type in cooltext.com. Okay, now cooltext.com is a graphics generator. It's been out for the longest. It's been out way back in the MySpace days. I know you all remember MySpace. But they have a bunch of different letter arts that you can choose from, like hundreds of them. These are just the popular ones that I'm showing you right here. I'm gonna try to find a cute one so we can make this logo. I think I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna put in this logo text, you just type what you want the text to say. So I'm gonna put PMBexquisite Boutique. And the good thing about Cool Text is you can preview this at the top and you can save it as a PNG file. Now, a PNG file is a file where the background is transparent. So that's perfect for your logo, which means that you could take that same logo and add it to a business card that has a purple background or a green background. You could take that PNG file and transfer it onto anything, your website. So I'm going to press download image so that I can save that. And I'm going to go back onto Canva. Okay, it didn't save it. It usually would save it, but I'm going to go back to illustration. Go back to beauty. Get that same one that I liked. Fit it to the size that I want. Now, to get the text that I just made in cooltext.com, I'm going to go to image, and it should be saved in your gallery. So I'm going to press gallery, and there you go. All you do is just add it to the screen. Now, this little thing, you could twist the words to however you want it, resize it. I'm going to make it wider, and I'm going to do the background, for the background image. This one. Okay, this PMBexquisite is too long. Exquisite Boutique. Trying to get it to fit in there. Kind of just got to work with it. Now, I think I'm going to get rid of the background. Turn it back around. Resize it. PMBexquisite Boutique. I'm going to go to illustration. Type in lashes, for example. We have a bunch of cute lashes. Now, this one you can change the colors, make it any color you want. The white part, make that black. And let's say I wanted to add more text. So, I'm going to find a cute text to add. I'm going to add that one. And I wanted to say fashion, beauty, and glam. This is just a simple one that you can make, a simple little cute little logo. Now I'm going to show you how to download it. I'm just going to press this. And it's just saying preparing your design, it's saving your image. And you're good to go. This is also different ways you can share it on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, you know, all of the other stuff, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to show you the logo that I made for my website. It's right here. Passion Monet Glam Studio. As you can see, I added different pictures. The lipstick was a picture. The lashes, I'm going to move it around so you can see. That was a picture. And the Cool Text website that I showed, that's how I got this font for the Glam Studio and for the Passion Monet. I went to Cool Text and attached it how I showed you with the other one. And it's just easy. You can create all sorts of things on Canva. It's a really good thing to use, as well as Cool Text.